Hi, I'm Peyton with Ryan Homes, and I want to introduce you to Kendall Pointe in Melbourne, Florida, featuring our newest townhome floor plan, the Mayport, with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 1-car garage tucked away in a quiet, intimate community right across from the Indian River. Located off US 1, Kendall Pointe is close to shopping, dining, and all of the best recreation Florida offers. Looking for a fun night out? Head to downtown Melbourne, where you can find local shops, restaurants, bars, and live music. Want to enjoy dinner with a view? The Chart House is located 15 minutes from your new home and offers a beautiful view of the Indian River with an upscale dining experience. Spend the day soaking in the sun at the beach just 10 minutes away, or kayak, boat, or paddleboard in the Indian River Lagoon to take in scenery and wildlife. You may even see some manatees and dolphins. Melbourne is also home to beautiful parks and nature preserves. Just 5 minutes away, you'll find Wickham Park with playgrounds, dog parks, fishing lakes, volleyball courts, and more. Plus, Wickham Park hosts festivals and events year-round, featuring food trucks, local vendors, and live entertainment. Looking for an activity for the kids? Check out the Brevard Zoo, which has over 900 animals, unique events, kayaking, and a treetop adventure with ziplining. It's so much fun. The best part about purchasing your new home with us is working with our team to design your home your way. You choose your home site and interior finishes, plus we make it easy for you with our in-house lender and streamlined purchase process so that you can focus on the fun part, building your dream home. Once construction is underway, you'll receive regular progress updates from us, including videos and pictures. We're the only builder in the area who keeps you informed every step of the way. We're here to help you along the way and answer any questions you may have. We can't wait to welcome you home.